Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will show you how to do a spoon test. What is a spoon test? You perform a spoon test when you want to know if you need to soak a grain before you flake it or not. I will show you this today using millet and, for comparison, oats. Now take a handful of millet and, for comparison, a little bit of oats, and then we do the spoon test. Now we take a spoon and crush the grain. You will see that the millet has become crumbly and the oats have been perfectly crushed. This means that you have to soak the millet, for example, the night before. That's it from today at KoMo Do It Yourself. See you next time!